How do companies decide which projects to invest in? This is the job of capital budgeting. We compare what a project costs with what it returns over time. The key tools are net present value, internal rate of return, and the profitability index. Each one turns future cash flows into a clear decision. Let's build them one by one. Net present value tells you if a project creates wealth. You invest $10,000 and receive $4,000 a year for 4 years. Your required return is 10%. We discount each inflow back to today and add them up. The present value of the inflows is $12,679. Subtract the $10,000 cost. The net present value is $2,679. The NPV rule is beautifully simple. If the net present value is positive, accept the project. It adds more value than it costs. If the net present value is negative, reject it. And between two projects, pick the higher NPV. NPV measures value creation in today's dollars. The internal rate of return is a project's own return. It is the discount rate that makes the net present value exactly zero. For our project, that rate is about 21.9%. At that rate, the inflows are worth exactly the $10,000 cost. So the project effectively earns 21.9% a year. That is the meaning of the internal rate of return. The IRR rule compares the project's return to your hurdle rate. If the internal rate of return is above your required return, accept. Our project earns 21.9%, well above 10. So the project clears the bar and creates value. If the IRR were below the required return, you would reject it. IRR and NPV usually agree for a single project. The profitability index measures bang for your buck. It is the present value of the inflows divided by the initial cost. For our project, that is $12,679 over $10,000. The profitability index is 1.27. It means every dollar invested returns $1.27 in value. Above 1, the project is worth doing. The profitability index has its own simple rule. If the index is greater than 1, the project adds value. That is the same as saying the net present value is positive. If the index is below 1, reject the project. PI is especially useful when your budget is limited. It ranks projects by value per dollar invested. Usually NPV and IRR agree, but not always. For mutually exclusive projects, they can point different ways. This happens when projects differ in size or timing. IRR is a percentage and can favor a small project. NPV measures actual dollars of value created. When they conflict, always trust the net present value. The payback period asks how fast you get your money back. Our project costs $10,000 and returns $4,000 a year. $10,000 divided by $4,000 is 2.5 years. So it recovers the investment in 2.5 years. Payback is simple, but it ignores the time value of money. Use it as a quick check, not as the final word. Let's recap the capital budgeting tools. Net present value is the dollar value a project adds today. The internal rate of return is the rate that makes NPV zero. The profitability index is value created per dollar invested. When methods conflict, net present value wins. Together they tell you which projects to fund. Quick quiz, test yourself. You invest $10,000 and receive $4,000 a year for 4 years at 10%. So what is the net present value? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, positive $2,679. The inflows are worth $12,679, minus the $10,000 cost. Quick quiz, test yourself. A project has a net present value of negative $500, so should you accept it? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, no. A negative NPV means the project destroys value, so you reject it. Quick quiz, test yourself. The internal rate of return is defined as the discount rate that makes the net present value equal to what? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is C, 0. IRR is exactly the rate at which a project breaks even in present value terms. Quick quiz, test yourself. A project has an internal rate of return of 21.9% and a required return of 10%, so should you accept it? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is A. Accept. When the IRR is above the required return, the project creates value. Quick quiz, test yourself. A project has inflows worth $12,679 and costs $10,000. So what is the profitability index? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is C. 1.27. The index is the present value of inflows divided by the initial cost. Quick quiz, test yourself. A project has a profitability index of 0.9, so should you accept it? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B. No. A PI below 1 means the project returns less than it costs. Quick quiz, test yourself. For mutually exclusive projects, when the net present value and internal rate of return disagree, which should you trust? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, the net present value. NPV measures actual dollars of value, so it is the reliable tiebreaker. Quick quiz, test yourself. A project costs $10,000 and returns $4,000 a year. So what is the payback period? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, 2.5 years. We divide the $10,000 cost by the $4,000 annual cash flow. Quick quiz, test yourself. What important factor does the simple payback period method ignore? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, the time value of money. Payback adds raw cash flows without discounting them. Quick quiz, test yourself. When choosing between 2 mutually exclusive projects, you should pick the one with the highest what? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is C, net present value. The highest NPV creates the most value in today's dollars. Quick quiz, test yourself. What does it mean when a project has a net present value of exactly 0? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, it earns exactly the required return. A 0 NPV means the project's return equals your hurdle rate. No more, no less. Quick quiz, test yourself. If your required return increases, what happens to a project's net present value? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, decrease. A higher discount rate shrinks the present value of future cash flows. Quick quiz, test yourself. A profitability index greater than 1 is equivalent to which condition? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, the NPV is positive. Both say the present value of inflows exceeds the initial cost. Quick quiz, test yourself. Which capital budgeting method measures value directly in today's dollars? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is C, net present value. NPV is expressed in dollars, while IRR and PI are ratios or percentages.